Hello everyone, this is Valerie from Sacred Out Healers. If you're new here, we offer hand-picked crystals to support your holistic well-being as well as your personal journey. We also show you how to bring magic into your home by using simple tools that you may already have. Today, I am teaching you how to manifest what you desire by cleaning your space with intention. My intention for today is to bring abundance into my home by using what I already have. How I see abundance may be completely different to how you see it, so please be very specific if that's what you want to manifest. As you clean your home, ask yourself a few questions. What do you want to manifest? Do you want more abundance in love? Do you want more abundance in your friendships? Do you want health? Do you want peace? All these are really good questions, so think about them as you clean the house. Look around your home for a moment to see what you can put in hot water without getting damaged. And if you can't get in the hot water, but you can still put it in the water afterwards when it's cold for at least 5 to 10 minutes, you can still use this. Everything counts, so be very creative, okay? Think about herbs, spices, oils, whatever you can find around you. When it comes to crystals, you can also put them in the water, of course. Wait until the water is nice and cold. You can go ahead and leave them there. I wouldn't put them longer than 5 minutes. I know that some crystals can handle the water, but I just wouldn't after all because I don't want the crystal, to change the color. It's just me very, very, very picky with crystals, but you can also do that. It is always recommended to do this type of work on a specific day of the week or on a new moon. However, I understand life happens, life gets in the way, and let's say that you can only do this on a Tuesday. And let's say that you are trying to manifest wealth. Wealth is associated with the planet of Venus, which is associated on a Friday. And you cannot do this on a Friday. You can only do this on a Tuesday. This means that the energy will be different. Tuesday is associated with the planet of Mars, and it means that for you to obtain wealth, you must take action. You must have the courage to bring that into your life. The ritual will still work, it's just the energy will be different. What I have right now around the house is a bag of piedra de alumbre, cinnamon, and thyme. And if you may be wondering why I have such a big chunk of this rock, it's because I'm constantly using it for the altar that I have. I have an altar for my family that I have lost for the past year or so. One of the people who have lost was my father, and it has been rough for me. And it's just a way of me releasing the spirit and just to let him know that it is okay to move forward. And there's no reason for him to be stuck here. If you have any family members or loved ones that you have lost, maybe they didn't get to say goodbye and maybe they just feel stuck because maybe they think that you are still mad at them. This is just a way that you're releasing the spirit and you are bringing them light. So the rock itself is natural, is rich in potassium. You can find them at like any botanica. This is what we call it here. Any spiritual store, please support your small businesses. This was only like $3, so it was very affordable. Some of the benefits that it has physically, it could be used as a deodorant. It could be used to treat cuts. It could be used for like an aftershave. Spiritually, it could be a way for you to protect your home, a way for you to bring light into your home. It can also help with, like I said, your loved ones who have passed. It can also help with businesses. I also found cinnamon in my kitchen, so that could be used for abundance, prosperity, and thyme can also be used for direction. It's actually anti-inflammatory, and you can use it for protection. Visualize what you are trying to bring into your home with the cinnamon. What is their job in this role? The same thing with the thyme. What do you want to do with that? What are you trying to manifest? And at this point, just stir the water. Just visualize it. Look at the water and visualize your life. Visualize what you're trying to manifest and feel it in your body. If you don't feel it in your body, you're not doing it right, okay? A lot of people get this confused because they are trying to manifest in their head, and you're supposed to feel it in your body. An idea is nothing unless you bring it into the earth and execute it, okay? So try to focus on what you're trying to bring. If it's health, just visualize yourself being healthy. Visualize yourself eating healthy. Visualize yourself having a healthy lifestyle. If you are trying to bring peace, visualize yourself in just pure white light. Visualize yourself with just being with the right person, being at peace with yourself, with your thoughts, with your mind. I decided to sit down while the water was boiling, and I was just thinking, okay, what are the 5 things that I just want to bring into my life? And I was just writing them down and holding that energy before I even put it on the pot. Okay, so as you can see here, just write it down. So I decided to bring the notebooks to the kitchen with me so I remember exactly what I want. And then as I'm thinking about it, closing my eyes, I'm putting the time in the water. I'm thinking about it and putting it in the water. I'm not just throwing everything at once. Just continue to mix everything. Make sure that everything has dissolved in the water, okay? You don't want this water to be boiling crazy. Just take your time. Don't rush the process. Hey you, thank you for watching this video. I just want to let you know real quick about something very important that is happening in March. I'm doing crystal healing sessions. If you are local, you have a chance to win a free session with me. All you need to do is sign up for the waiting list, and in March I will let you know if you won. Let's do this. Thank you. Go ahead and find a bucket. Clean the bucket. Don't just put the water in there. Clean it. Don't be lazy. Remember that we're working with magic right now, and everything is about the intention that you're putting into the bucket. So you put the water inside the bucket. Be very careful. It's extremely hot. I actually put my strainer on the bucket because it fit perfectly. Just wanted that to catch everything just in case I have some stems or some time in it. I just put everything in there, as you can see. But unfortunately, we still have some pieces that we have to remove from the water. So just go ahead and do that. If you don't mind, you can go ahead and mop with this as well. But for me, I just think it would be a lot messier. While the water is still hot and you can't mop yet, what I did was that I picked up my bucket and I used it as if it was sage, right? And I was saging the room, you can say that, with the water because there was still steam in it. And then visualize what you are trying to attract. It is always important that when you're talking, you speak in the present tense, not I want, I need. No. The universe doesn't understand that. The source doesn't understand that. You have to be very specific. If you want to be healthy, I am healthy. I feel good. I feel strong. You guys got the point, right? So just do that until you can touch the water where you can actually start mopping the floor. You should start cleaning, in my opinion, from the front to the back, because this is something that you are trying to bring into your home. When you're trying to get rid of something, it's the opposite. You go from the back to the front. That is all for today, guys. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, send me a message on Instagram if you liked it, and see you soon. Bye bye.